Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Gren and you are watching I Am Gren. So basically, this is part 3 of the bee swarm experience. Last episode, we got a bunch of bees. We got the best tool in the shop right over there. We got the best bag in that shop. And we got 2 guards. We did not get, and we got a helmet, but we have not got a new bag or new boots. I don't know what we're gonna do in today's video. I don't know what we're going to achieve. But whatever it is, let's do it all together. Alright, so I noticed when receiving these codes from last video, I got all these 7-prong cogs, and I feel like I remember, also I joined the group, and now we just got 12,000 honey from that. This. Hold up. 10 plus pollen. And this isn't very good. Oh! But this is very good. Let's go. Alright, so basically what is this? Discover 25 bee types to fire the red cannon. Okay. We need 50,000 white pollen. Also, all we have is this from the code is the honey day event. Alright, so we still collect decently fast. Not nearly as fast. Alright, let's quickly kill the spider. Alright, we have a bunch of bees that just leveled up. So that's wonderful. Let's quickly make all of the pollen. And guess what I see? That's green, which means we can enter the 15 bee area. Because we have 17 bees. So that's what we're going to do. Right after we collect all of this white pollen. So how many treats do we have? We have 28. We need 30. And then we also need to get one more bee to level 5. Oh, we got another gift. Let's go. Alright, we finished the quest. And we got 33 treats now. Let's head up to the next area. Oh no! Alright. You, Mr. Pro. Kill all these things for me, please. Ah! Oh god. Okay, we got a lot of oh, we got another bee that just leveled up to level 5. 2 of them, actually. Alright, there we go. What is this? Earn 15 badges to enter. We only have 4 of 15. What is in there? Oh. What is that? It's a royal jelly, but with a star. That's weird. Oh! Scorpions! I'm out of there. Discover 4 red bee types to enter the red clubhouse. What is this? Discover 8 legendary bees. Whoa, wait, hold up. What's that? What is this? Ticket shop. Ooh, wait. There, we got Crimson Bee, Colot Bee, Festive Bee, Tabby Bee, Cub Buddy, Photon. Alright, we're good. We're getting this. 500 tickets. Alright, we're getting a Photon Bee. That sounds sick. I just spent 50 tickets, so we only have 41. So, yeah, we're gonna have to... Ooh, we got a Riley Bee. Let's go. New type. Let's also feed those 30 treats to this man. Or woman, I don't know what type of gender that bee is. And we need to collect from the sunflower field. But first, let's go to Mother Bear. Ooh, 20,000 honey. Raise 1 bee to level 6. 5 bees to level 5. 50 treats and use 3 royal jellies. Well, I don't think I have any royal jellies. Except for 1 bumblebee jelly, which I already have a bumblebee, so there's no point of me using it. Guys, I think it's time for us to place a magic bean down. Let's break this magic. Well, let's break this sprout and get all of the good loot. Oh, we got it. Oh, what the? Inspire 2 times pollen. Let's go. Oh, this looks like it's it's converting for us. All right. Oh, our demo bee just leveled up. Let's get this sunflower. Uh-oh, there's another person. Please leave. Please leave. Man, he's gonna steal all of our loot. I placed this. Should I just left? And now he's leaving. Man, he stole my loot and just left. How mean. How many rogue jellies did we get from that? We got 2. Oh, hello. Wasn't paying attention. Get 'em, bees. Oh, and we finished the panda bear quest. Can we jump up this yet? No, we cannot. Any shift lock would work. Nope. Honeybee leveled up. Oh, we just got a bunch of bees to level up. Let's grab all of their loot. Shy bee just leveled up to level 4. Defeat 1 spider. Uh-oh. Well, we should probably head to Strawberry Field now. Oh god, there's ladybugs. We're being attacked. Wait! The HQ's open! Once we done collecting all of this, we gotta go in there and explore. We've got to explore that area. Alright, we've finished the quest. Why does this man keep following me? I don't like that. Not one bit. Jelly beans? Uh-oh, scorpions. Whoa. 3,500,000. 12,500,000. I think we should save up for 3,500,000. All right, 3,500,000. Here we come. That's what our goal is. Bamboo and dandelion. Can do. We should probably convert real quick. Oh, I got a duplicate bee. Ah, another hasty bee. What is he doing? Well, we're almost converted. What is this man doing? That is not human. Whoa, we just converted super fast from that. Alright, let's head to dandelion and to bamboo. Start out in dandelion. Ooh, a treat. Well, we got a treat. Honey storm. We gotta get all this honey. Alright, we almost collected it all. What's a vicious bee? What is a vicious bee? I don't know what that is. Let's go investigate. Down to the 15B area we go. Vicious bee has been defeated. Oh, wait, I can buy royal jellies. Pick up that. Alright, and now we're heading to... Alright, let's head to Bamboo Field. Well, first of all, we should probably go up to him now. It's been way more than an hour. basically a couple videos ago, the one that got corrupt and never uploaded, I found this dude. Do quests from him and you get royal jellies. And I couldn't get up to there. Yeah. Oh, I did it. Let's go. Oh. Battle. Let's go. Hey, we got 52 tickets. Pumpkin and blue flower. Let's quickly do that. I don't know where the pumpkin field is, though. Yeah, we got it. Ooh, micro converter. Let's quickly go to bamboo. Alright, we had killed the rhino beetle, and this dude killed the other rhino beetle. Thank you. So close to finishing this quest, the Weed Whacker 2. Ooh, there's blueberry. Whoa, bubbles. Where'd those come from? Bombs away. Alright, there we go. We've completed Weed Whacker 2. Now we probably could just head up here, because I don't see a pumpkin field over here. Actually, it could be that one. We're close to this. Oh, pumpkins. Found, I guess it was this one. Boom. We did it. Let's go. What's this? Oh, we can fire this cannon. Let's pick up a royal jelly. Thank you. We have 2 royal jellies now. We still need... Oh, sorry, I accidentally hit the mic. We still need more, though. So, and we might even be able to afford a new bee. Let's see. And we can. Let's place down this bee and convert it. See, what do we get? Another demo bee. I like the demo bees. I like the explosions. They collect a lot of pollen. 100,000 pollen? Man, I don't know where we're gonna have to go for that. Whoo-wee, that's a lot. Let's go over here with this dude. He looks good. Look at all these explosions. Man, we're collecting it so fast. Explosions. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We need to get Photon Bee. Whoa, what the? What's this? Hey, our Bumblebee just leveled up to level 5. Let's go. We got 31 treats. 50. Alright, I think it's time for us to start saving for 3,500,000 for the new tool. Alright. Ooh, what the? Are you? Ooh, that's good. Just break you. Whoa, what the? Alright, well, I'm gonna go turn in my quest. And then convert. Wow, this is almost 1,918,000. It's crazy. Hey, we got a royal jelly. Let's transform this hasty bee in the corner. We got another rad bee. Man, Cloverfield, 100,000. Well, let's quickly convert. And then we can head over there. Alright. Well, that's gonna have to be the end for the video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.